Fun fact, from this point on, there are no more glue-ups on this table. Finally! Now that all the mahogany pieces have been glued to the center, I trim them to final dimensions and final shape, I fair the curves with a block plane, and I put a heavy chamfer on the bottom side. Now I can turn my attention to the top side. There are a lot of little details here that need to come together. The inside chamfer that goes all around the centerpiece is a great visual border, but kind of a pain to clean up. The corners have to be chamfered by hand. All the glue has to be painstakingly chiseled out, inch by inch, and then I can sand it smooth. Perpendicular seams of the mahogany boards need to be flushed up, so I start with a smoothing plane to remove the bulk, being careful to avoid all the tear out. I follow that with a scraper to smooth out any bumps, and then I finish up with some sanding. Last, I give the top side a round over and one final sanding, and now it's time for finish. I normally go for an easy wipe-on poly blend or shellac or something like that, but since this is going to see some heavy use and its fair share of sunlight, I decided to go with a marine spar varnish. Now, I've never used Manowar brand, but I honestly think it turned out pretty great. After 4 coats with 24 hours in between and scuff sanding after every coat, I wanted a little bit more protection, so I figured why not take this opportunity to do a side-by-side comparison with some wax. I split the bottom side in half and used a fast-drying Bry wax on the left and the classic Johnson paste wax on the right. The difference was pretty minimal, but the standard paste wax I think edged out a win just by a little bit, so I ended up using that on the top. After all the finishing and all the waxing, it was finally time to add the legs. The Rockler legs I got made this pretty easy, as it was just a matter of locating the holes for the legs, drilling them out, installing the threaded inserts, and then just bolting everything together. that was an amazing project. I hope you guys loved following along with me. I know it's such a great feeling when I get to use wood that I've milled myself to build something that's going to last a whole generation. So again, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you on the next one, but if you excuse me, it is dinner time, so I'll see you guys later.